In our previous lesson, we discussed about the addition of two positive integers. It's quite simple to solve it. We know that the sum of two positive integers is always positive. Now we will see the addition of two negative integers. Here they are. Let's consider this number line. We have to start with -4. It's 4 steps away from the 0 towards the left. To this, we need to add -2. What if we had to add 2 here? Then we would have had to move 2 steps to the right of -4. Can you tell me why? It is because moving towards the right means increase in value on the number line. We can also say that adding a positive integer increases the value of the number. On the other hand, adding a negative integer decreases the value of a number. What does it imply? Yes, it is the same as subtraction of its absolute value. On a number line, moving towards the left means subtraction. Therefore, to add -2, we will move 2 steps to the left from here. We get the answer as -6. There is another way in which we can understand this. To find the sum of two negative integers, we can add their absolute values and keep the minus sign for the result. When we add their absolute values, we get 6, which means the addition of -4 and -2 will result in -6. We found the sum of the absolute values and put the negative sign here. Remember, we're talking about the case of adding two negative integers. This is a way to find the sum of two integers without using a number line. Now let's see one more example. We will try to solve it without using the number line. As seen in the previous example, we first need to add the absolute values of both the negative integers. And as both the numbers are negative, we put the minus sign here. We get the answer as -8. Now let us see the solution on the number line. Here's the first integer of the question. How do we add a negative integer on the number line? Yes, by decreasing the value of the integer. That is, by moving towards the left. Therefore, we will solve it like this. Yes, the answer is -8. Therefore, we can say that the addition of two negative integers is always negative. We can either find the sum using the number lines or by solving it like this. If the integers are bigger in value, we would find it difficult to find the sum using a number line. Here are some examples where bigger integers are involved. If we try to solve these using the number line, then it would be tedious and time-consuming. Hence, it's better to use the other technique. Irrespective of the method we follow, we will get the same answer for addition of integers. Remember, the sum of two positive integers is always positive. The sum of two negative integers is always negative. What about the sum of one positive and one negative integer? We will find that out in our next lesson.